Everybody, we are back with Hemlock Hollow Outdoors, and we are still making blueberry recipes. So today we're going to make a blueberry pie. First thing you need to do is lay out your crust into your pie pan like so, and now we will make our blueberry filling. I took 8 cups of blueberries. They're already washed and drained, and now we are going to add our filling to it, which is a cup of sugar, 5 tablespoons of flour, and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. And we're just going to mix this all together so all the blueberries are evenly coated. Once they're evenly coated, pour them into your pie pan. And finally, we are going to add our crumb topping. Our crumb topping is 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 stick of butter. And I also sprinkled some cinnamon in here too because I really like cinnamon. Now that we have our crumb topping on top of our pie, we're going to throw it in the oven at 375 degrees for about 50 to 60 minutes, checking, see how much of a sticky mess I can make. Check back with us. Okay, blueberry pie time. Let's take a bite and see how it turned out.
It's good.
It's delicious. I can't wait to warm this up a little bit.